Well done, sit down. Hello, stand up. Where is the bag? My bag is over there. Well done, sit down. After that, you stand up. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Shabir. Well done, sit down. For which you stand up. What do you bring in lunch? I bring sandwich. Well done, sit down. Like you stand up. What do you play? I play take down. Well done, sit down. My name is Anamta. I read in cafeteria. Magic color. Where do you read? I read in Anantu Foundation course. Good, sit down. Can you stand up? What is the color of banana? Banana color is yellow. Good, sit down. Naya, you stand up. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Good, sit down. You stand up. Who is your favorite